morning all of you. Hydroxy compound alcohols. Now we enter into the preparation of alcohols from alkyl halide and from alkene. Preparation of alcohol from alkyl halides and from alkene. First preparation from alkyl halide. Alkyl halides on heating with dilute aqueous NaOH gives alcohol. Aqueous NaOH means sodium hydroxide dissolved in water, aqueous solution. Example of an alkyl halide: CH3, CH2, Cl. 2 carbon eth, carbon single bond N ethane, Cl chloroethane. When treated with aqueous sodium hydroxide NaOH. Why this word again and again is used, aqueous? There is one more NaOH and KOH, alcoholic sodium hydroxide. If alcoholic sodium hydroxide is used here, dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide takes place. With the loss of hydrogen and halogen gives an alkene. Alkene is our product. If alcoholic sodium hydroxide is used, our product is alkene. But here aqueous, Na plus and OH minus. Chlorine is a nucleophile. 1 H plus, 1 Na plus from sodium hydroxide and Cl minus removed as NaCl. Na plus Cl minus removed as NaCl. Because of chlorine is removed as minus, charge on carbon becomes plus, minus is added to plus gives our product CH3, CH2OH plus loss of sodium chloride NaCl. 2 carbon eth, carbon single bond N OH all ethanol or ethanol. So in this reaction, what is very most important point is that it is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Primary alkyl halide undergoes SN2 reaction, bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Secondary and tertiary halides undergo SN1 reaction, unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Come to the second method of preparation of alkyl halide, alcohol. Alcohol is prepared from alkene, not simply alkene. I am going to write one more heading. From alkene by acid catalyzed hydration. Hydra water molecule, hydration addition of water molecule in presence of catalyst. That means by acid catalyzed hydration. Alkenes react with water, double bonded compound, in presence of acid as catalyst to form alcohol. I am going to take 2 examples. One is a simple alkene CH2, double bond CH2. Common name of this compound is ethylene. IUPAC name 2 carbon eth, double bond in ethene. Undergo hydration, addition of H plus and OH minus, hydra water molecule. That water molecule is provided by the mineral acid, dilute HCl or dilute sulfuric acid. Alkene, ethene is an example of symmetric alkene. What is meant by symmetric alkene? Number of carbon atom on either side of the double bonds are same. Therefore, it is called symmetric alkene. Remember always, double bonded and triple bonded compound usually undergo addition reaction. Double bonded and triple bonded compound usually undergo addition reaction. Where the reaction takes place, where double bond is present, in that carbon atom addition reaction takes place. This is symmetric alkene, therefore no need for Markovnikov rule. 1 H plus is added to one carbon, another OH minus is added to another carbon, and a double bond is converted into a single bond. First carbon becomes CH3, single bond, second carbon CH2OH. 2 carbon eth carbon carbon single bond ஏன் OH all ethanol ethyl alcohol. But unsymmetrical alkene follows Markovnikov rule. Example of unsymmetrical alkene, 3 carbon alkene. I will explain the mechanism also. CH3 CH double bond CH2. 3 carbon prop carbon carbon double bond ene propene. Common name propylene undergo hydration. Addition of H plus and OH minus. This water molecule is provided by the mineral acid, dilute HCl or dilute sulfuric acid. Follow Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule. What is Markovnikov's rule? The negative part of the molecule, only the unsymmetrical alkene follow Markovnikov rule. The negative part of the molecule is added to the double bonded carbon atom which containing lesser number of hydrogen. The negative part of the molecule is added to the double bonded carbon atom which containing lesser number of hydrogen or no hydrogen. H plus automatically added to the double bonded carbon atom. Remember, a double bonded compound usually undergo addition reaction. The addition takes place only in the double bonded atom. OH minus is added to central carbon, gives CH3, CH, OH, H plus is added to last carbon, CH3. You know the common name of this compound, isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. 3 carbon prop carbon carbon single bond N OH all position of OH2 propane to all is the IUPAC name of isopropyl alcohol. Now I am going to explain the mechanism of Markovnikov rule. The mechanism of hydration of alkene consists of 3 steps. What is meant by mechanism? Stepwise process of a chemical reaction is called a mechanism. The first step involves protonation, addition of a proton, nothing but H plus ion of alkene to form carbocation by electrophilic attack of hydronium ion. How hydronium ion is formed? Whenever you write mechanism, put 2 pair of electron on oxygen atom. Water molecule acts as Lewis base which donate a pair of electron to proton and forms H3O plus ion, hydronium ion. Oxygen donate a pair of electron to hydrogen, therefore it becomes H plus. But when I write the equation, I will simply explain. Alkene CH3, CH, double bond CH2, our propene. When the H plus provided by hydronium ion, nothing but acid, is added, and among the double bond, one bond shifting takes place. This bond shifted towards carbon, charge of the center carbon now becomes plus. This is our carbocation, gives CH3, CH, now single bond CH2. This bond shifted towards carbon, to that bond H plus is added, H is added, that carbon becomes CH3. CH3, CH plus CH3. That is carbocation is formed in the first step. Second step involves nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation. This step is very most important. So hereafter, when you see the mechanism, you have to follow this one. CH becomes plus and the last one is CH3. When you add water molecule, oxygen has 2 pair of electron. Nucleophilic attack of water molecule. Oxygen is now having negatively charged which moves towards the positively charged carbocation, and a new bond is formed between carbon and oxygen, gives a CH3, CH, CH3. Now oxygen is added to the center carbon atom. Remember always, there is a positive charge on oxygen due to this donation of one pair of electron. Remember always, whenever oxygen donate a pair of electron in the first step, it remove a pair of electron in the next step. That is, the third step involved deprotonation to form an alcohol, removal of a proton. D means removal of a proton. That means, now I write the same product here, CH3, CH, CH3, oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen, one pair of electron plus. I told you, whenever oxygen donate a pair of electron to form a bond, in the next step, it remove a pair of electron from the nearby bond. It remove a pair of electron immediately. One bond is removed by oxygen, one bond containing pair of electron. So here, this H is removed as H plus, deprotonation, H plus, plus, now isopropyl alcohol, CH3, CH, oxygen. Now oxygen has two pair of electron, one methyl group. What you added in the first step from mineral acid, H plus, you removed that H plus in the last step, H plus. Deprotonation in the last step takes place. This is the mechanism of hydration of alkene. Thank you for watching. In the incoming video, we are going to discuss the preparation of alcohol from Cricknod reagent. Very most important. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.